Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to make a memory stitch quilt out of some volunteer shirts from a variety of functions like Oshkosh and volunteering at Air Venture and others. So stay tuned when we talk a little bit more about making this quilt from shirt panels.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now here's the 4x4 panel volunteer shirt, and you'll notice that we have the Blue Ash Airport staff at the top. We have I'd Rather Be Flying a Grumman-American, and then an Oshkosh volunteer from 2008, Hangar C, B&B. We also have a Flying Knights Air Race shirt, a shirt from a Ale from New York State. We also have a Fletch Air shirt, an Oshkosh shirt from 1991 for the AGE-5B. Those are hard to come by. An original Shop Monkey shirt, and then another air show staff by Tom Pop and all for the Blue Ash Airport. So stay tuned for some more fun, ladies and gentlemen.